Experiencing issues with your Rogers app not displaying data usage? You're not alone. This problem usually stems from a failure to refresh the data from Rogers servers. The app relies on real-time data aggregation, and when it doesn't sync properly, your usage might appear as zero or remain outdated. Here's a breakdown of immediate solutions. First, manually refresh the app by pulling down on the screen. Since the app uses pull-based updates, this is crucial. Next, force close the app completely and reopen it. This clears any temporary glitches. After that, clear the app's cache in your phone's settings. Cached data can become corrupted, preventing accurate display. Finally, ensure your device has a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, to communicate with Rogers servers. These steps resolve most common data display issues. If the initial fixes don't work, the problem might be related to your billing cycle or more complex app issues. Check your billing cycle date within the app settings and ensure it aligns with your actual billing period. Misalignment can occur after plan upgrades. If the data still isn't displaying correctly, update the Rogers app to the latest version. Rogers fixed many data visibility issues with version 8.5.2 in July 2025, so ensure you have that or a newer version. For persistent problems, try logging out of the app and logging back in to refresh your account authentication. As a last resort, if all else fails, contact Rogers customer service. They can verify your data usage directly and address any underlying account issues. Remember, keeping your app updated and proactively refreshing data monthly ensures smooth monitoring of your data usage and prevents unexpected overage charges.